How to make a Foley kit. So this is everything you'll need to make this kit. You'll need a box to put the Foley in, the actual Foley catheter, some sterile gloves, a blue drape, a fenestrated drape, which we're going to unfold and show. Make sure you unfold it and make sure it has a diamond cut out in the middle. You can either make some yourself or pick one that's pre-made. Fold it back together like you see. You'll need a pack of 3 alcohol swab sticks, a lube packet, a specimen container, and a 10 ml syringe that has a slip tip. It looks like that. Don't use a lure lock. Make sure it looks like that syringe right there. It can have a cap on it, but it doesn't have to. And the plastic tray to put it all in. And then the blue wrapping paper, a label for the Foley, a plastic bag to put it in, and double-sided tape to close it. So before you make the Foley, check to make sure the port works, which is what she's doing right here. Just insert the syringe and it should stick. If it doesn't stick like that, it means the port's broken and you can throw the whole Foley away. It's not going to work. So if it does stick like it should right there, push in the water and you should see that little balloon by Sydney's left hand start to fill up. It should fill all the way up and it shouldn't leak and it should be just like that. If that doesn't happen, throw away the Foley. You can throw it in the trash. It's fine. And so, yeah, just like after you release the plunger of the syringe, it should automatically just fill back up because of the pressure difference. The balloon should go all the way back down. And if both those things work, the port and the balloon, go ahead and make the Foley like you see in this video. So start by placing the Foley wrapped up in a circle to fit the bottom of the box. And then put the plastic tray on top of that. And then just pile it in there. So start with a syringe that has 10 mLs of alcohol water in it and a cap, a specimen container, the lube packet, the alcohol swab sticks. Make sure it's alcohol because some kits will come with iodine. Don't use that. It'll stain the mannequins. It'll say iodine on there. Just throw that packet away. We don't use that. And then put the rest of the things on top like you just saw there. It was the fenestrated drape, the blue drape, and then the sterile gloves. And then you'll place the kit in the middle of some blue wrapping paper and then wrap it just like this. It's one of the hardest parts of a Foley. I still can't really do it as pretty as some of the workers can, but just try your best to follow along to this video. Yeah, and then you kind of like tuck in the last little part like Sydney's doing. And then you can place the label on top of that. And then you want to place it in the plastic bag just like Sydney's doing it because you want to place it to where when you tape it down, you're going to tape down the plastic bag on the underside of the Foley. Like there'll be a little extra flap of plastic. You're going to make sure you tape it down, don't tape it up. So just like this, just apply some double-sided tape. Excuse me. Just apply some double-sided tape just like that. And then fold it down underneath the Foley like that. It just looks prettier and Rachel likes it that way. And that's it. That is a completed Foley.